Guys, welcome to Programming Minds. So today's lecture we are going to learn the difference between the C and C++. So this is a very common thing, like C is nothing but a subset of a C++. So there are some differences between the C and C++. So let's get started. First, C is a procedure oriented language. That means it does not support the object oriented concepts, that is polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, data hiding, etc. Whereas C++ is a procedural as well as object-oriented language, which means it will support the features of C as well as it will have the object-oriented programming features like polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance. Now the second point is C is nothing but the subset of C++, which means C has some features which are already supported in C++. Then C++ is a superset of C, that is C++ has some added features which are nothing but the oops features. C has 32 keywords, whereas C++ has 95 keywords till date and it's still adding. C++ do not have any access modifiers. So what do you mean by access modifiers? Access modifiers are the keywords which are used to give the security to the class. Since the concept of class is not there in C, so it does not have access modifiers. C++ have access modifiers. The most commonly used access specifiers are public, protected, and private. Now the information hiding is not supported in C, whereas C++ information hiding is supported. So the feature of object-oriented programming, that is encapsulation, supports the data hiding, in which we can use the access modifiers to hide the data from the outside world. Now we don't have any direct support to the exception handling in C, whereas in C++ we can have a exception handling, for which we can use try catch as well as throw keywords. C supports only built-in data types, whereas C++ supports both built-in and user-defined data types. Now what do we mean by user-defined data types? In C++ we define the classes, and classes are nothing but the user-defined data types. It is a blueprint in which we can define the properties of an object. Now in C only functions are declared, like the data and functions are separately declared in C, whereas in C++ we can bind the data as well as a function together so that we can use that as an object. So these are some common differences which are present in C and C++. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.